Welcome everyone. In the today's session, let's see how the state formation or reorganization happened after independence. And so-called what we have 28 states, how did it get formed? Okay. Initially after independence, mm, the provinces were divided into four parts: Part A, Part B, and Part C and Part D. As you can see, Part D is regarding the union territories and Part E is regarding governor provinces. You can directly see into this map. I have noted each and every provinces with the numbering how the states were at those times. Next, after these four parts, then there was a demand for a separate statehood on basis of linguistic lines by Andhra Pradesh. So in 1953, the first state was carved out of Madras Presidency. As you can see, Madras was such a big, huge. Yeah, let me take. Yeah, it was like a huge province. Then it was carved into Andhra Pradesh after the demand for separate statehood for on linguistic lines in 1953. Next comes the major event in 1953 when French hand over the Puducherry, Mahe, Yanam, and Karaikal. And I have marked it accordingly. You can see this was the major event. Then the most important thing which happened during the what we call the modern day states is this one. In 1956 reorganization. As you can see how it was in 1951, it was divided among the four parts like part A, part B, part C, and part D. But now, as you can see, each states have how it was reorganized. This was the reorganization which happened. Like to make Karnataka, if you take to make Karnataka state, they took provinces. As you can see, it was Mysore state was very small, and we had they had carved it out of some provinces from Madras states as well. So many changes were done. Like formation of this Maharashtra state was from, as you can see, there was Kutch and Saurashtra. They all were combined and made into uh, Maharashtra, modern day Maharashtra state. In this reorganization, there were 14 states formed. Now, let's see the process how the 14 states became the 28 what what is present today. Yeah, the Gujarat state was carved out of Maharashtra and made it as a 15th state. Next, coming on to in 1960, then in 1961, the Goa was liberated. Then this is just a important thing as it was under. Next, in 1963, statehood was given to Nagaland, so it became a 16th state. Then similarly in 1966, based on that Shah Commission report, another set of reorganization. The reorganization means they would take some provinces from different parts of state and make a state. So that is reorganization. It was not giving the statehood also. Yeah, as you can see in this, as you can see here, In 1963, entire Pepsu and state of Punjab was singular, but in 1966 it was bifurcated into two more states. The Hindi speaking community as Haryana. I might be wrong with the Hindi speaking, but it was like based on that, what is the source which I have read. Next, Himachal Pradesh, by the hilly areas were classified, and so the Himachal Pradesh was carved out of Punjab in 1966. Next, coming on to 1972. Now, earlier this Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya also existed, as you can see, but now just the statehood was not given to them, so it was given in 1972. As the Manipur became the 19th state, Tripura became 20th, and Meghalaya became 21st state. This then the major another important uh, year was 1975, when Sikkim early it became an associate state first by 35th Constitutional Amendment Act, and by 36th Constitutional Amendment Act it became a full state as 22nd state of India. Then the similar thing happened in 1987. If you see, the three union territories like Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and Goa were given the statehood. This is statehood, just a statehood giving thing. And next major thing happened in 2000, when Uttaranchal, or the modern day Uttarakhand, was formed as the 27th state, and 26th state was Chhattisgarh, and 28th state was Jharkhand, which was carved out of, if you can see this earlier picture, it was from Madhya Bharat, or Madhya Pradesh, and Bihar presidency. Yeah. Then in 2014, another important major event, as everyone might be knowing, the 29th state was carved out of Andhra Pradesh, the Telangana. And there is one more date in 2019, as you know, that Jammu Kashmir was made union territory. As here, if you see, it was a state, so this state became now union territory. So we have only 28 states now. Thank you for giving your useful time listening to me. Thank you.